This is my review of the Hoover Cordless Air. It is very light, and the best thing is my kids can use it.
Look how light it is. I can lift it up even. Also, that it's really cool because see how bendable it is? I can even go right on. I might even be able to go right underneath our couch. See? You can press this button here, and then voila! You can easily take it off. So. Okay, so it runs on battery here. It's awesome because then no cords will get tangled. It comes with 2 batteries. Right here is the place where you attach the battery. This is the filter. Then this is for like scrubbing the ground. It's also meant for going on stairs or on any furniture. I think you might be able to take it out of there and then you can place in this, but don't place in this. This is for a different thing. So don't place this in there. It will not do anything and it might break it, but only put these 2 in there. So you see over here, that's where you place your foot, so then you can go there, and then you press the button, and just start cleaning. Also that you can see there's also a built-in light and it's also very flexible. I'll show you. Look. So you can easily turn. This is the Hoover Air Cordless. Well, I hope you enjoyed. But I wonder if I can start cleaning now. I'll just start cleaning.